I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble unlocking your card on Bitget, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Bitget app. Launch the Bitget application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Wallet. Once you're in the app, locate the Wallet tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to access your wallet settings. Step 3. Select Card Management. In the Wallet section, look for Card Management or Cards. Click on this option to see your card details and settings. Step 4. Unlock your card. Find the option to unlock your card. This may be labeled as Unlock or Activate. Follow the prompts to complete the unlocking process. Quick gotcha: if you don't see the unlock option, ensure your account is fully verified in the account settings section. Step 5. Confirm changes. After unlocking, you should receive a confirmation message. Make sure to check your notifications or email for any updates regarding your card status. I hope this guide helps you unlock your card smoothly. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out.